We've all been there. A medical emergency strikes, you rush to the ER, heart pounding, hoping for the best. You get treatment, breathe a sigh of relief, and then, bam! The bill arrives. It's enough to send you right back to the ER, but don't panic just yet. There are ways to fight back against outrageous ER bills. These bills can be confusing and downright scary. You're not alone in feeling overwhelmed. The good news is, you have rights. This essay, my friends, is your weapon against those ridiculous charges. We'll arm you with the knowledge to navigate this medical money maze. Let's talk EMTALA. You might have heard the term thrown around in medical dramas or perhaps during a hospital visit. Sounds like a tropical disease, right? Something exotic and far away, but no, it's much closer to home. It's actually a law, and it's your friend. EMTALA ensures that you get the emergency care you need, no matter your financial situation. EMTALA stands for the Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act. It was enacted in 1986 to prevent hospitals from refusing care to patients who couldn't pay. This law says hospitals must treat you in an emergency, regardless of your ability to pay. It doesn't matter if you're insured, uninsured, or underinsured. That's right. They can't just leave you bleeding on the curb if you've left your platinum insurance card at home. Your health comes first. But here's the catch. When you're being wheeled through those hospital doors, they slap a form in your face. This form can be overwhelming, especially in an emergency. This isn't just an admission of existence, it's a financial agreement. This form often has a clause saying you agree to pay whatever they charge. Don't panic. You have options. Ask for a paper version. This gives you the chance to read it carefully, then cross out that clause. You have the right to modify the agreement. You're agreeing to treatment, not to be robbed blind. Remember, EMTALA is there to protect you. Weeks later, the bill arrives. You've been dreading this moment, and now it's here. The envelope feels heavier than it should, almost as if it carries the weight of your anxiety. You open it, and nearly faint. The numbers are staggering, far beyond what you expected. Panic sets in, but you know you have to stay calm. Deep breaths. First, call the hospital billing office. Be polite but firm. Explain your situation clearly and ask for assistance. Ask for an itemized breakdown of charges. This will help you understand what you're being billed for and identify any errors or overcharges. If they give you the runaround, hang up and try again later. Persistence is key. Don't let frustration deter you. Keep pushing for clarity. Now it's time to fight back. Arm yourself with knowledge and determination. Visit a website called healthcarebluebook.com. This site is a valuable resource for understanding fair prices for medical procedures. This site shows fair prices for medical procedures. Compare these prices with what you've been billed. Armed with this information, call the hospital again. This time you have concrete data to back up your claims. Ask for the Director of Revenue Cycle. Sound impressive? You bet. This shows you mean business and are serious about resolving the issue. Tell them you'll pay the fair price, not a penny more. Be prepared to negotiate. Stand your ground and don't be afraid to push back. They might surprise you with a better deal. Sometimes all it takes is a little persistence and the right information to turn the tide in your favor. Sometimes hospitals are stubborn. They refuse to negotiate. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're already dealing with the stress of medical issues. It's important to stay calm and know that you have rights and options available to you. Your bill might go to collections. Don't panic. This is a common occurrence, and there are steps you can take to manage the situation effectively. The key is to stay informed and proactive. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act is on your side. This federal law protects you from abusive collection practices and ensures that you are treated fairly. Knowing this can give you peace of mind. If a collection agency calls, ask for written proof of your debt. This is your right, and it can help you verify the legitimacy of the claim. Always keep records of your communications. They often can't provide it. This can work in your favor, as it may delay the collection process. Use this time to explore your options and seek advice if needed. This doesn't erase the debt, but it can buy you time. Time to negotiate, time to gather resources, and time to plan your next steps. Every bit of time can be crucial in these situations. In extreme cases, the hospital might sue. This is rare, but it does happen. If you receive a court summons, take it seriously and respond promptly. If this happens, get a lawyer. Legal representation can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. Don't try to navigate this alone. A consumer rights attorney can help you fight unfair charges. Remember, you have options. They can negotiate on your behalf and ensure that your rights are protected. Even if you owe something, you can negotiate a payment plan or settlement. Many hospitals are willing to work with you if you show a willingness to pay. Don't let those ER bills bully you. Stand your ground and be proactive in managing your debt. Know your rights, fight back, and stay healthy out there. Empower yourself with knowledge and take control of your financial health.